Veg Kadai. All you need is 150 grams of paneer cut into 1-inch cubes, 80 grams of onion cut into cubes, 150 grams of fresh tomatoes chopped, 50 grams of green capsicum cut into cubes, 50 grams of French beans chopped and blanched, 50 grams of cauliflower florets blanched, entire packet of Suhana Vegetable Kadai mix 50 grams, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons butter, 300 ml of water. For garnishing, 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. Method of cooking is as follows. Make a paste of Suhana Vegetable Kadai mix with 100 ml water. Heat oil in a frying pan. Add tomatoes and cook for 4 to 5 minutes till oil oozes out. Add paste and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add remaining water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes till gravy starts thickening and keep aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in another pan. Add onion and saute for a minute, followed by addition of paneer, cauliflower, French beans, capsicum and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add gravy, mix well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes till gravy thickens. Garnish with a dollop of cream.